I am Bahar and welcome back to my English channel. Today we want to learn how to talk about time in English. Every day we might have to talk about different times in different situations. I mean, for example, at work or in college, especially at the school. So this is the reason that I decided to talk about this topic today. Before we start, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button. Then I would figure out that you're willing to learn English faster and effectively. Especially when you subscribe to my channel, it shows me that you're supporting my English channel. So I would be more energetic to make more fabulous videos for you. Okay, are you ready? Let's watch it, learn it. First, we want to talk about different ways that we can express the time. I will ask and then I will answer myself. As you can see, the hour hand is pointing at 2 and the minute hand is pointing at 12. So what time is it? It is 2 o'clock. Or you can just say it is 2. Okay, now what time is it? There are 3 different ways that you can express the time. You can say it is 2:05, it's 5 past 2. Also, you can say it's 5 minutes past 2. Now, what time is it? You can say it is 2:10 or it is 10 minutes past 2. Also, you can say it is 10 past 2. Alright, there is a new lesson here. When someone asks you about the time, you can say it is 2:15. Also, you can use that previous rule again. You can say it is 2:15. Now, what time is it? It's 2:20. Or you can say it is 20 past 2. And in another way, you can say it is 20 minutes past 2. Can you answer this one? What time is it? It is 2:25. Or you can say it is 25 past 2. Or it is 25 minutes past 2. Now, when the minute hand is pointing at 6, you can say it is 2:30. Or it is 2:30. Both ways are correct. But it is more casual to say it is 2:30. Now what time is it? It is 2:35 or it is 25 to 3. As you know, both ways are correct. Right now, as you can see, the minute hand is pointing at 8 and the hour hand is pointing at 2. So you can say it is 2:40 or it is 20 to 3. Okay, can you guess what time is it? You can say both. It is 2:45 or it is 2:45. Okay, now it is so simple for you. As you know, there are 2 different ways that you can express the time. You can say it is 2:50 or 10 minutes to 3. And the last one, as you can see, the hour hand is getting closer to 3 and the minute hand is pointing at 11. So you can say it is 2:55 or 5 minutes to 3. Both of them are correct. Okay, now let's learn about each part of a clock. The main parts of each clock are those that show us the hour, minute, and second. The one that tells us about the hour is called hour hand. Hour hand. And as you can see, it is smaller and also moves slower than the other ones. The next one, which shows each minute in a clock, is called minute hand. Minute hand. Obviously, it is longer and also it moves a little bit faster than the hour hand. Okay, obviously the next one is called the second hand. The second hand. It tells us about the second, and as you know, it moves faster than the others, and sometimes its color is different from the hour hand and the minute hand. The next one is hour, And as you can see, a clock has got 12 different numbers on it that we call them hours. And the numbers start from 1 to 12. The next part that we want to talk about is minute lines, or just minute. As you can see, most of the clocks have got their minute lines on their face. But there are other different clocks that hasn't got any minute lines on them. Then we have case. It means the one that contains the clock. So we call it case. And the last part is called face. So when you're looking at a clock's face, you can tell what time is it. Alright, now it's time to practice the lesson. You have 3 seconds for each of them to tell me about the time. For this one, can you tell me what time is it? The answer is it is 4:10 or 10 minutes past 4. Now, can you guess the answer? It is 6:15 or it's 6:15. Alright, now what time is it? Excellent, it is 10:30 or in another word, it is 10:30. Now tell me about this one. Perfect, it is 8:50 or you can say it is 10 minutes to 9. And the last one, which it is so simple. Can you tell me what time is it? You can say both it is 9 or it is 9 o'clock. Both of them are correct. Okay everyone, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Also, you can comment down below and tell me about your favorite time in a day. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you, goodbye, have a nice day.